track. We're good to go. God, I love driving this car. This car is so much fun. I don't know. Well, we're just gonna go for a little cruise. You guys could probably see it now too. I do got a crack on my windshield. Yeah, last year during summer I took my car to work. We were on the highway and something hit this pillar right here and caught the edge of the windshield, and started off a little crack like right here, 5 inches, and then it just got longer and longer. Keep in mind, I do have front skinnies in the front and slicks on the back. I'm gonna drive around and get the tires warmed up real quick and then probably launch it somewhere. But I still gotta be careful driving. Car does have 9,008 miles on it. That doesn't let you know, well, I don't drive this car much. You know, especially during winter. But today's nice enough where I can bring it out for a quick cruise. Just hoping I don't get caught in the rain. I don't know if you guys can see those dark clouds up there. Some downshifts. Oh yeah. Also, I don't have a passenger seat, as you guys can see. And for those new to the channel or anybody just wondering, this is pretty much a full bolt-on car. You know, from ported supercharger, ported snout, 2-3 upper pulley with the green Gates belt. I do have a 103 millimeter throttle body from Nick Williams. Long tube cook headers, 1 7/8. No cats at all. But the rest of the exhaust is stock, because I mean the car is already loud as it is. And there's houses around next to our house, so you know I don't want to get in trouble with the neighbors. You know, not that I care, but just don't want to cause any problems. Capable of running E30. Not sure if you guys could hear me every time I, you know, start driving from a dead stop, because it does get pretty loud in here. But also I do have a meth tank, a whole meth complete kit from L&P Performance, from Late Model Performance. I am gonna tune the transmission. I gotta take it off and send that out to HP tuners, so my tuner does, you know, he can do his thing and I could get more higher RPMs or whatever the case may be. Let me see, what else do I have? Oh yeah, that's right, I have the Rotofab Big Gulp cold air intake, Granite Telly spark plug wire boots. And I think that's about it, pretty much. I did install a Kirky seat in the car. Well, my brother helped me out install it. You know, the little seat bracket, a custom seat bracket for now. So I did order one from Redline 360. That's designed for this car, and it hasn't shipped out yet. But also, I did put a 4-point harness bar from Redline, again, Redline 360. But yeah, other than that, I think that's about it. The car should be around 700 horsepower right now to the wheels. After the tune, 750, 760. That's what I'm hoping. That's my goal, at least for now. And also, if you guys don't know, my tuner on Instagram, check him out at Ranger Dan. It's a great tuner. Y'all hit him up for your tune. He does all kind of stuff. I'll try getting into it after this turn. There's not much traffic. Man, this car's so much fun to drive. Since the supercharger is ported by K-Tech, you know, it should sound a little better. But you guys let me know if you guys can hear on the video. Let me know down in the comments if you guys can hear it. When I cut you guys off, I'll put it back on as soon as I get to the spot, so that way you guys aren't watching too many boring driving around. Alright, we're about here at the spot. Little drive, I know, but it is rush hour, so keep in mind there's plenty of cars out here still. It's gonna keep me from, you know, doing a wide open pool. And yes, if you guys don't know by now, by looking here, it is a 10-speed automatic. It's not a manual, I'm sorry, but it is what it is. Well, all I gotta say is, automatics are faster than manuals when it comes down to racing, you know. That's my opinion. Everyone has their own opinion, but that's mine. Oh yeah, here we go. Just went the wrong way. a Mustang in front of me, but I think that's an EcoBoost. Huh.
Skinnies, and this thing feels, you know, it feels like it's gonna get loose on me. Another Mustang over here again. You guys hold on this one. Jesus Christ. On a straight line, this thing is a beast. Just right now, I mean, this car's handles good on corners too, but it's not gonna do it with them skinnies in the front. Got squirrely on me back there. Had to let off for a second. You know, it is really cold outside. It's 39 degrees. I mean, I don't even know if the tires are warmed up, but you know, we're out here driving. Our windshield's getting kind of. Quick, I got up to speed. You know, anybody else go on spirited drives, you know, just to clear your head, or just, you know, it's relaxing. Anybody else in here like that, drop a comment. anybody that doesn't think I'm saying the truth, I'll pull over in a bit. You guys can see that I'm driving with the skinnies in the front and slicks on the back.